Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. So sorry if my voice is a bit croaky, I'm just battling the flu at the moment. So what's in the box? So let's see, well, you already know by my channel that I do aviation videos, but what is actually in the box? Let's open it up. So whenever you get any of these packages, remember, use something sharp like one of these. Make sure that it's retracted so you don't stab yourself, and if you're not confident, make sure you've got an adult with you. I think I'm sensible enough to do it myself. So got that first bit open there, so you see, knife. Okay, cut its cardboard, it doesn't really matter, it can be recycled. So there you get your paper with your order on it. Now let's have a look. So you get a load of bubble wrap, which you can have fun with when you're done. Oh, sorry for bumping the camera. As you can see here, this is my Aeroflot Airbus A321 by Gemini Jets. I think this would be my 11th 1/400 scale model aircraft. And this is my very first Airbus A321. I've got an A320 but an A321, and this would be my third Russian aircraft I've got in my collection altogether. I've got one in 1 to 400 and I've got one in 1 to 500, so let's get it open. Let's see. Right, so this is from 2018. And standard with Gemini boxes, they've got the information about the aircraft. So I've got this aircraft part of the Easter deal on what's called the flight store. I'll put a link in the description of where I got it from. Bear with the snotty nose. So let's get this open. It's typical packaging for Gemini Jets. Get a bit of plastic there to help protect the aircraft. So let's get it open. And here it is. My Airbus A320. Landing gear sturdy, that's good. Good detail on the aircraft. I think it's a bit dusty, but overall very good. Engine's detailed. Got the little slot thing there so you can put a stand in. Got the Gemini Jets logo. Overall, it's a good representation of the Airbus A321. So they got the doors for the cargo. So yeah, overall such a good model. If you want to see more Russian aircraft, let me know and I'll see what I can do. As part of the Easter deal I got this, part of the Easter deal I got this for 28 UK British pounds. But that was for the Easter deal, I think it might have been about 36. You can also get this part of the model aircraft store range as well. I'll link both of those in the description. But overall, yeah, really good. You can see you've got the Russian flag. As I believe this is the main regional airline of Russia. Founded in the 1920s from my memory. Yes, overall pretty good aircraft. Very good model. And now if I get any more, I'll do another airport update with all new aircraft. So let's put this back. And if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more of these type of videos, or if you want to see any live videos, just let me know and I'll see what I can do. If you want to get one of these yourself, I'll put a link to the place that I got it from down in the description. If you want to see anything else, just leave it down in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Right, thanks for watching, take care.